Take command of the road in the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Nissan prioritized comfort and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, power front seats, and remote keyless entry. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.